So the question is, which company should I have for life insurance? Look, it depends, but there are a couple of things to look for when it comes to choosing a company for your life insurance policy. One of the rules I follow is I like to see companies that have been around for a long time. So typically a company that's over 50 years old. There are a lot of insurance companies that's over 100 years old, and we do a lot of business with companies over 100 years old. So that's where I would recommend a strong company. Insurance companies are rated. Some of them are rated by AM Best and a few other rating agencies. So look at the rating of the insurance company. And also you can actually look at their financial strength and seeing how much they've paid out in the last year. A lot of times insurance companies will share how much money they paid out to their policyholders the year before. So you can see that this company is actually paying out to their policyholders. So those are some of the things I would look for. Longevity, how long it's been around, what's the rating of the company, and how have they been paying out to their policyholders.